Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about log tags function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. This is log tags function syntax. Okay, log add next to number and next to base, comma base. Okay, let's take this tags function Power BI Desktop. Now I'm click new measure and now I'm typing log. Okay, once you read this, return the logarithm of a number to the base you specify. So now I press enter and 200 comma 20. Okay, close this parenthesis. Okay, see this here, number is 200, my base value is 20. Now I'm close this parenthesis. Okay, let's check this tax function, click new code and select that measure to. See this here 1.77. Okay, this is log tax function in Power BI Desktop.